Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Gemini air sign, and this reading is from September 1st to September 10th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is about your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. So let's see first your person current feelings. Gemini, Four of Pentacles, Four of Cups. What is happening? Ace of Wands. Yeah, I think your person is not expressing their feelings to you. They are feeling very sad for the missed opportunity with you, and they want new beginning with you. I think they are not expressive type. They are very stubborn, and they are not going to accept your offer in near future also. But they are feeling very sad. They want new beginnings with you. So let's clarify these cards for clarity. Four of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Page of Cups. Wow, yeah, they will communicate you, they will express their feelings to you. Two of Wands. Yeah, they are thinking about you a lot for new beginning. They are thinking about new beginnings with you. Yes, in past I think they are not expressing their feelings to you, but now they want to apologize for what they did to you, and they have so much love for you, and you also love your person. Definitely in past they're stubborn, they're not expressing their feelings to you. Right now their current feelings is to start new beginnings with you and to start new cycle with you, and they're thinking this could be long distance relationship also. They're thinking about you a lot. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Gemini, your person near future lot of energy. Your person near future actions towards you. Knight of Wands. Wow, there is a lot of passion between both of you. Two of Swords, Seven of Cups. Yeah, they are fantasizing about you a lot. They are I think for some your person have options. They are at some crossroad, they have to make decision. And Knight of Wands. Yeah, they want to come towards you, and their decision is to choose you. So let's clarify Knight of Wands. Okay, yeah, Queen of Swords. They are very sure about their decision. Two of Pentacles and Two of Swords. Yeah, they are at some crossroads. Definitely they have to make decision. Yeah, Seven of Swords. Some manipulation, some miscommunication, some false communication is happening between both of you. I think one person in this connection is not as much as honest the other person. I think your person, Seven of Swords, is some sneaky energy. Definitely your person want to communicate you, but I think Knight of Wands is not a king, so you have to look after this, because Knight of Wands energy is they want to come and they will go. They want to come and in and out your life. So you have to, if they will come back, you have to choose wisely. You have to think wisely, because Seven of Swords is also here, and they have a lot of options too. So yeah, and they are very blunt type. So you have to choose wisely. So let's see where your connection is headed. Definitely they want to come, and some communication is also going to be received from your end, but please, yeah, Six of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in past in this connection. Queen of Cups, but you both have strong emotions. Yeah, see here, King of Pentacles. I think I want one more card. Yeah, Nine of Wands. One person investing in this connection more. Nine of Wands means one person is very guarded. I think it's your person. Knight of Pentacles and a Queen of Cups and Six of Pentacles. This connection will get stability, but it will get time, because it will take time. Queen of Cups, definitely you both have strong emotions for each other, and you both want to work on this relationship, and you both want to equal give and take in this relationship, but there is no equal give and take, because what I am getting from these cards, I am telling this message here, because there is no stability in your person, but you want stability, but your person acting like guarded. So think wisely and take decision wisely. If your person is very honest with you, you know your person well, because this reading is only general. So those who resonates, take this message, not for everyone. So this message resonates, please think wisely and take decisions. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.